Hi, this is Nishka from EurekaCrystalBeads, and I'm here with another fun product spotlight for you today. But before I get started, just go ahead and check out the rest of our channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, and go ahead and leave us a comment. We love to hear from you. So what today I will be showing you is some brand new items that we just got in stock, and they are all natural stones and natural stone beads. So I'm very excited to show these off for you guys. A lot of these are limited in quantities, so they may sell out fast. So I just wanted to let y'all know about that. And yeah, okay, so what I have in front of me right here is pyrite. These are genuine pyrite stone beads that have been coated with different colors. So, as you know, pyrite is fool's gold, and it's a mineral, and we have them in a bunch of really beautiful colors, and because it has this metallic metal quality to it, the coatings look really sparkly and bright, and they're really, really lovely to work with. So I will show you some of my favorites are these tiny ones. We have these 2 millimeter beads right here of this coated pyrite. How beautiful is that? So shiny, gorgeous. I really, really like doing these videos for you guys. It makes me feel like I'm at a bead show, like a virtual bead show. So this is obviously the bright gold, and we have it in a larger size as well. Isn't that great? And I went ahead and found, I had some loose beads that had come off a strand that broke. And I just went ahead and took a few of these larger gold beads and put them on one of our new earring findings. And I mean, I think that looks so cool already. I think I might add a few other beads for color, but just add a little ear wire to the top. Oops, I lost one. I can show you how I did it. Very easy. These beads have really nice holes, and they're great for projects like this. I wouldn't recommend them for bead weaving simply because natural stone beads can have natural cracks and fissures in them that if you put too much pressure with a needle and pass through it too many times at different angles, you can crack the bead. So these are perfect for easy projects like stringing or putting them on an earring finding hoop like this and creating some really pretty, easy jewelry. So I want to just show you a few of the other colors up close. There's this really nice bronze over here, which is lovely. And the silver is it's not a bright silver, which is what I like about it. It has elements of this like sparkly bright, but also some more matted and muted parts of the bead, which I love. It adds so much texture. And we have a bright silver in the larger color, or bright silver in the larger size, so you can see the difference here. These are just like stunning. You could use these in any design and people would think, oh, straight up like metal bead, right? And finally, in the 2 millimeters, I also have this really, really beautiful copper penny, almost rose gold finish. Gorgeous. And we have this one also in a larger size. So that is really fun. Beautiful, trendy, metallic color. And with the larger ones, we also have this natural looking stone color, kind of a bronze. This one is less shiny. And the way these beads are cut, they're very irregular. So they are so fun for adding dimension and organic feel to a piece. Aside from that, you've seen this like very nice bright green here. Perfect for springtime, spring and summer. And this pretty pink. And another different kind of green. This one has a more olive type tones in it. And finally, a kind of a hematite. Perennially popular, always elegant, looks fantastic with silver, antique silver, or other metals. You can really mix and match. So that's a new selection of our new pyrite beads, from the really tiny ones to the bigger ones. A great color selection, especially for the season. Okay, the next thing I want to show you guys is our new selection of Spinel beads. So Spinel is a naturally occurring mineral, and it has nice qualities of being easily faceted. It is a fairly strong mineral. It has sometimes even, well, not these days, but in ancient times, it was occasionally mistaken for rubies and sapphires because it's often found in similar places. And some of the spinels do look very similar. These are all coated spinels, so they're black spinel. So the main color underneath this coating is black, and then we have this added sparkle coating to give it a bunch of dimension. And as you can see, they have this natural quality, but are really teeny, really beautiful. And you can see this finish gives it this beautiful rainbow sparkle. So we have this in a variety of colors, but they are mostly in this deeper, darker range. Kind of a hematite one over here, which doesn't have this iris rainbow finish, just sparkly hematite. And we do have black spinel available on our website without coating. It's very, very popular and frequently sells out. So we wanted to bring a few other additions for people who love working with the spinel. We have this one. This one I think is my favorite. It is the sparkliest one I've ever seen. It's just so sparkly. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. It's like literally like blowing my mind right now. So beautiful. Yeah, this is the one I want the most. This is gorgeous. I just want to wear it draped around my wrist and feel like an empress with this beautiful stones. And of course, perennially popular always, this blue coated blue iris color, which is gorgeous, will add a pop of color to all of your designs, and is really, really beautiful to make any strung jewelry. You can put this in between other beads, crystal beads, Chinese crystal, Swarovski preciosa. So these are our spinels. Let's see, make sure you can see all of them. Now available on the site. Let's see what else we got. Okay, so next I'm going to show you a new selection of beautiful natural dyed quartz. So look at this, a nice spring green. What else do we have here? Beautiful camel color, canary yellow. I love the soft sparkle of these stones. I think it's easy to think of them as very basic, but they have such a beautiful glow and nice natural looking sparkle. The sparkle isn't part of the coating. The sparkle is natural. It comes from the stone, the quartz stone itself. Let's find the rest here. this pretty pink, almost opal rose quartz kind of color, and another pretty green chartreuse-like color. So this is a really nice spring palette that we have here. Beautiful, beautiful soft colors, great for summer, and they just sparkle with this natural sparkle that you'll find on quartz stone beads. And these are so tiny. They're very versatile, and you can get so many beads on just one single strand, and they're a lot of fun to play with. So I really love these. Love this neutral. Yeah, really pretty. Just look at that sparkle. So those are our quartz beads. Okay, now we come to my absolute favorite. These are Moonstone beads. I really love this palette. This is a really summery color selection, isn't it? And this is a new item that we haven't had before. Moonstone is this beautiful stone, and these are dyed and coated. And look how sparkly these are. They just have a different kind, almost like a luster coating, to give it this extra oomph. And I just love that they are varied in color. So the beads will vary from darker to lighter, so you can really create natural looking gradations. You can pick out all the lightest ones and put them in order of color, whatever you prefer. You can really make beautiful things with a strand of these. We have this beautiful purple, like I just showed, this very natural rosaline color that I just think is stunning. And a very bright, rubylicious, I mean, this reminds me of some kind of delicious candy. Like raspberry color, right? Raspberry pink color here. And let's see what else in this nice green, kind of a prairie green. And again, you can see the variations in color and tone. Gorgeous. And a blue. This blue is kind of a deep blue, kind of a denim blue. It's pretty similar to the purple, but you can see the difference if you put them next to each other. So that's the purple and that's the blue. And like I said before, we have them in 2 sizes, and it's the same colors in both. So you can see how much they sparkle. We're so excited to add these to our selection. I think they'll make wonderful additions. If you look really closely, you can see that the Moonstone has this inner glow, very satiny, and then this additional sparkle on the outside. So it's almost like 2 different kinds of sparkle for you to enjoy in your projects. And again, because these are natural products, they're natural stones, each bead is just a little bit different. The sizing of the beads can be variable. They're not exact. This isn't precision cut crystal. These are natural products. So there will be variability. The length of the strands will be variable. The bead facets can be variable. The colors can be variable. But that's why they're so beautiful and unique, because each item is just its own beautiful self. So, okay, there we go. And so that is the Moonstone, brand new product to Eureka. There's so much stuff here, I can't even fit it all on screen. So go ahead and check these out on our website. Beautiful, really fun to work with. And I have, I think, just one more little addition at the end here. And let's just move these out of the way, which I am really excited about. These are limited quantities, so hopefully they won't sell out right away. But we have these stunning different bead shapes. So here we have, this is pyrite. This is natural pyrite. This is what it looks like when it's not coated or dyed or colored or anything. This is the natural stuff. And what we have here is 3 different shapes, 3 different cuts. So let me divide those out for you. And I mean, isn't this one amazing? I love this one. So the 3 different shapes here, there's this cube shaped bead that has, basically it's a cube with the edges shaved down. So it has this beautiful effect. This to me has such a kind of a retro modern vibe. The color calls to mind some kind of ancient something. I'm thinking like ancient Egyptian or something. And this shape has a very, like, to me, I don't know, 80s feel. I don't even know how to describe it. Or even older. It could be anything really. I'm also thinking like roaring 20s with this. So I don't know where my mind is going, but I think they're beautiful. This one is my favorite. And this is a longer, narrower cube shape. The edges remain intact. And this to me is so slinky, so cool. It feels like scales or some kind of reptile skin. I don't know. I'm just loving the way this looks. You can just string this and you're done. I mean, how cool is that? And it feels nice and cool to the touch. It's very metallic feeling kind of bead. As you know, pyrite, again, fool's gold, right? So it has these metallic qualities. What would you guys call this? It's essentially a flattened donut disc shape that has had all the edges cut off. So it's like if you took a donut, right, and you turned it into a square by cutting away the circle portions on 4 sides. It's the best way I can describe it. I don't know, is there a bead shape name for this kind of bead? It's really cool. I'm not familiar with any that I know of, but maybe you guys can enlighten me. So, really cool little bonus, limited quantities on these guys. I'm not sure how long they'll last. Semi-precious beads, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. So thanks so much for joining me, and make sure to go ahead and check out the rest of our channel and head on over to EurekaCrystalBeads.com for all of these beads that I showed here while supplies last, and plenty of other beautiful things that you can use to make stunning jewelry.